Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn some very basic and important concepts of probability. The first one is random experiment. So a random experiment is any kind of experiment whose outcome we cannot predict beforehand. For example, if we toss a coin, then we will get an outcome that is either a head or a tail, but before tossing that coin, we don't know that which outcome we are going to get, but we know that what are the possibilities of the outcomes. So, this type of experiment where we don't know which outcome we are going to get is known as random experiment. The next example is rolling a die. If we roll a die, then we will get any number from 1 to 6. But before rolling that die, we don't know actually which number we are going to receive. So these are the two very simple and popular examples of random experiment. Otherwise, there are a lot of experiment, a lot of examples we can give for random experiment. For example, picking a card from a pack of 52 cards, or selecting a ball from a bucket of different colored balls. So these all are examples of random experiment where we don't know that which specific outcome we are going to get after performing that experiment. The next one is sample space. So whenever we are performing a random experiment, we will get an outcome. Now, if we make a set with the all possible outcomes of that experiment, then that set is called a sample space. So the definition of sample space is the set of all possible outcomes is known as a sample space. So here in our example, tossing a coin, the all possible outcomes are a head and a tail. So if we write these outcomes within a set, then this set is a sample space. In general, we denote the sample space by S or by omega. Now for the next example, rolling a die, the possible outcomes are the numbers from 1 to 6. So all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is the sample space for the event rolling a die. I mean, for the experiment rolling a die. The third one is event. So, an event is a subset of a sample space. Now, for tossing a coin, the sample space is head and tail. If we write getting a head, that means we will receive head only. If we write getting a tail, that means we will receive a tail only. Now, this head alone or this tail alone is a subset of this sample space. So, each of this subset is known as an event. So these are the example of an event. And we denote an event by any letter. Let us suppose here E equals to getting a head. And suppose F equals to getting a tail. There can be another example of an event. In case of rolling a die, if we write uh, A equals to getting an even number after rolling a die, then the outcomes will be 2, 4, and 6. So this 2, 4, and 6 is a subset of the sample space here. That means this. So we can say this A is also an event. So whenever we are creating a subset or defining a subset of a sample space, then that subset is an event. So these are the three concepts I hope this is clear to each one of you. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.